What's up, Shiba Inu fam? Hopefully, you guys had a wonderful weekend. I know I did. Happy to be back here making content. Definitely enjoyed watching football, though. I will say that football is my favorite sport, so I definitely enjoy my time to sit down on the couch and just take that time to relax. That's important. Okay, you can't always be just wired in watching the markets and all that sort of stuff, but we still do that anyways too. So now Shiba Inu is closing the gap with Dogecoin, and we've talked about this several times. Okay, it's the gap has been tightening. Obviously, Dogecoin is the one that set the bar so high to begin with, and now Shiba Inu has obviously been working towards achieving that same kind of level. So we're going to go ahead and get into it here. But before we do, if you are new to the channel, please go ahead, hit that subscribe button. Again, that way you'll get updated anytime my content goes live. So let's go ahead and talk about this here. Now, Shiba Inu is currently sitting at 13th with a market cap of about 7.2 billion. Okay, it's added about 6.3% over the last week. Now, where it sits currently is now Dogecoin has moved back from that 10 spot. They just got flipped by Polkadot, and Shiba Inu again is only about 1.3 billion away. Now, Dogecoin is pretty well tied in with Bitcoin. I mean, Shiba Inu is now too, but because of the things that Shiba Inu has in its ecosystem and things that we have coming, okay, there's a good opportunity for it to overtake Dogecoin faster than Dogecoin can, muster gathering and market cap as well. Like, just for example, if you take a look at the last 7 days here, Dogecoin has only increased 4.76%. Shiba Inu's increased about 6.25%. Okay, so it's just gaining at a faster rate. Now, what kind of things could send that marching past Dogecoin? Gosh, man, the morning, I have sometimes trouble thinking in the morning. So it says, kind of like we've said in other videos, the possible support for SHIB's march to conquer Doge's seat could come from the launch of Shibarium, which is the layer 2 chain that is supposed to be launching on Ethereum. Okay, and as stated previously, Shibarium could launch as early as this quarter. Now, this quarter is closing out very quickly. We have about 2 weeks until the end of the month, which will close Q3. Now, it'll be interesting to see because we haven't gotten any confirmation from the team or anything like that about whether that's going to actually play out this month. We're still obviously hoping for it, but there are still some great catalysts coming this month. I mean, I think we're still supposed to get the full beta for Shiba Eternity, the game. I know that the Ethereum merge is coming up within the week here, so that could give us a little boost. And then we have the FOMC data, which is going to be in about a week as well. So some great catalysts obviously coming in the way of Shiba Inu. And the reason I kind of mention these is if we take a look at the Shiba Inu chart, okay, we sit at about 13, just slightly over 13 right now, okay? And we have this huge bullish pennant playing out, okay? So if you're not familiar with bullish pennants, basically what they do is they create higher lows and lower highs. So they just start, bouncing around in this range here that you see, and eventually they coil so tight that they're going to break one way or the other. Okay, they keep fighting the resistance and fighting the support until it breaks one way or the other. And a lot of times these end up breaking to the upside. That's why these are considered a bullish pennant. Okay, now if we take a look at actually when this is supposed to end, we'll see it's actually supposed to be right around the time of the Ethereum merge, coincidentally. So that obviously could be the big trigger that sends us to new levels. Okay, now where can we go? I mean, realistically, we could try to hit these 14s, 15s, even possibly that 16 that we saw about a month ago or so. Now, obviously, this is not financial advice. I don't know where the chart's going to go, but this is at least what it is currently playing out and showing as. I mean, hell, it could even change by the time that you guys are seeing this video. Now, so obviously we'll monitor this very closely and kind of see how things play out. But big things coming this week. Obviously make sure you're paying attention to the charts, the reports that are coming out, because crypto is going to do something within the next week. The merge will start it, and the FOMC will be the catalyst probably for the rest of September. So make sure you're just aware of these things, these dates. Again, the Ethereum merge, 15th and 16th are the expected dates. FOMC data, the 20th and 21st. Those are the big ones that you need to know. And then obviously you got the Vassal hard fork for Cardano on the 22nd, but that's outside of this week. But these will kind of determine what way things are going. So as always, I appreciate you guys taking time out of your day to watch the video. I know your time is very important to you. You know, if you haven't already, please feel free to hit that subscribe button, hit the little bell. Again, you'll get notified anytime my content is live for your viewing pleasure. Hopefully you guys have a wonderful day. I'd like to see some nicer weather. We just got rain and junk out there today, but you know, what can you do? At least the market's doing good, right? Hope you guys have a great one, and I hope to see you in the next video.